Hi beautiful, it's me Love from Munchkin Time, and today for dinner we are making creamy broccoli cheese soup. This broccoli soup is super creamy and delicious. You're gonna love this recipe. If you like recipes like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Also follow me on Instagram at Munchkin Time Blog. In a big pot, melt 1/4 cup of butter. After butter melts, add half a cup of onion and saute it until golden color. Next, add 1/4 cup of flour and cook for about 1 minute. Next, pour 2 cups of chicken broth and 2 cups of half and half. Give it a really good stir. After, add 3 cups of broccoli and 1 cup of grated carrots. Salt and pepper to taste, and then give it a really good mix. Bring everything to a boil and then simmer for about 20 minutes. Stirring few times. After, add 2 cups of sharp cheddar cheese and stir that in. Remove from the heat and sprinkle a little bit of nutmeg over the top and stir that in. I love to use bread bowls for this soup. Cut off the top of the bread and remove the inside. Now, serve this broccoli cheese soup inside the bread bowl. Top it off with cheese and season more with black pepper. And voila! The dinner is ready. Sometimes I like to add bacon pieces on top for the extra kick and flavor. But this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Also subscribe to my blog so you would never miss a new recipe. Come check out my other delicious recipe like creamy chicken pasta bake and honey garlic chicken thighs. They are super delicious and super easy to make. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!